In your morning medical news, health officials say the U.S. is now at risk of losing its measles elimination status as cases soar. Health officials now report more than 700 measles cases nationwide, with Texas accounting for more than 560 of those. A senior CDC scientist is warning the Immunization Advisory Committee actual numbers could be even higher.
In talking with families, they may mention prior cases that have recovered and never received testing. Other families that may have cases and never had sought treatment.
It also comes as Texas health officials are having to pull resources from other parts of the state health department to try to contain the spread. The CDC also trying to get more help despite dealing with federal budget cuts. And autism rates are rising as a new CDC report shows more children are being diagnosed. Experts say better screening and understanding of the condition is likely behind the long-term trend. In 2022, about 1 in 31 children was diagnosed with autism by age 8, up from 1 in 36 just 2 years before. The study found significant differences in rates across gender, race, and geographic regions. The FDA is warning consumers about counterfeit versions of the popular weight loss drug Ozempic. Officials and manufacturer Novo Nordisk have discovered fake vials with this specific lot and serial number you see on your screen. The FDA says these counterfeits could pose serious health risks and urge patients to check your medications. You can verify authentic products on the manufacturer's website or through your pharmacy. From spring break to summer vacation, we are heading into the time of year when people like to travel. But if you're going a long distance, there's a potential danger. Health experts say you should know about this. Mandy Gaither speaks with a cardiologist about how to prevent blood clots in your legs during those long trips.
It's a season of travel, and whether you're vacationing by car or by plane, experts say long trips can take a toll on your body.
Blood clots are very rare with air travel, but they are not uncommon with long distance travel. You're talking about travel more than 4 or 5 hours.
Cardiologist Dr. Sumith Alady with Orlando Health says a blood clot can be life-threatening. Symptoms include swelling, pain, or tenderness in the legs, especially if it's in just one leg. Skin may also be red and warm to the touch. If you have these symptoms, seek care immediately.
If you delay that and if you take some time, then that blood clot may have broken off and you're giving a chance to develop a blood clot in the lungs, which is more life-threatening.
To prevent blood clots on long trips, a lady says to take breaks. In the car, stop every couple of hours to stretch your legs. On a plane, wearing compression socks can help reduce swelling and improve blood flow. If you can't stand up, you can also try calf exercises while seated to keep the blood moving.
You can do some toe lifts or heel lifts. Squeeze your calves.
A lady says knowing your risk is also important. You're more likely to get blood clots if there's a personal or family history of them, or if you have weight or vein problems. Those who are pregnant or recently had surgery are also at increased risk.
The CDC says blood clots are typically detected through ultrasounds, CT scans, or MRIs. They're treated with medicines or devices that can dissolve, break up, or capture the clot. A race against time to save St. Joseph's Hospital for local patients. The Chippewa Valley Health Cooperative has a deal to buy the former St. Joseph's Hospital, but they have to decide if the aging building can be salvaged. Advisors have till June to make that decision that could restore healthcare access for many local families.
Our goal is to begin to provide some clinical services there later this year. We won't have an ER open or inpatient beds until we get a full hospital license. It's going to be into 2026.
Reopening St. Joseph's would provide essential services, while the nonprofit's new Lake Hallie Hospital, still 2 to 3 years away, is being built.